Political excitement is rising in Kerala as the 2026 Kerala Assembly election approaches. The state is preparing for an intense political battle. The current Assembly's term end in May 2026 and the elections are expected to held in April or May 2026. A crucial contest will take place across all 140 constituencies. Rising prices, employment opportunities, development and initiative and center-state relations are expected to be the major issues shaping the 2026 election debate. New Now, political Kerala awaits one key movement: the official election announcement from the Election Commission. The countdown has begun. Stay tuned for more update. I am Abdul Basit. This is breaking news.